3, 2, 1, go.
The skirt first. Oh, not really yet. I thought I lost some weight, but okay, we're gonna do this. Where's the bell?
Hurry, you have 14 seconds, or you have 15 seconds. Your time's halfway up.
Time. What's that? Oh.
And you're done.
You're just gonna go like that? That's like 30 seconds. I don't even know how this stuff works. What are you doing? You know how many times I put a skirt on in my life? 0. 6.
1 now.
Thanks, buddy. 30 seconds. Are you timing me?
I am.
This is what it looks like. And then I'll do my messy button thing. This is it.
You have to put the skirt on.
My skirt is on. This is it. This is what you wear like anyway.
Why are you power stancing?
Well, if it was actually like you, then I would.
That's your pose?
Is this what you do?
Pose.
I can't. If I move, it's gonna fall off. There we go. Okay, I'm ready.
Oh, you're doing the whole thing. 10 seconds. $20 seconds. You got 10 seconds left.
Not even close. All right. Good thing the sweater's
Out of time.
perfect. Okay, gotta get the shorts. Home style shorts. Shirt. Over. I know how much girls like to layer, so we're gonna layer up real good. This is the sweater that I wore when I went to the dunk tank over at Turbine. Okay. Time.